is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'm going to tell you how I use an Altcoin Alert sort in the 1 hour projected ranges to earn a lightning fast profit in the Dogecoin. So let's check out the Altcoin Alert screenshot that I saved from this morning. Okay, so here we are on the screenshot, and this is what I was looking at around 8:15, 8:20 in the morning. I've got the top 5 AA scores here, but as you know from prior videos, I'm really more interested in some of these specific sorts here on the database. So instead of trading activity, I went with this one, 1 hour projected range, USD, and the first thing that comes up is Dogecoin. Now, I'd heard some things were going on with this coin. I wasn't sure quite what was going on, but this really caught my attention, this 14% projected increase in the next hour. Upper was over 30%, lower was slightly negative, but this is very interesting to me. Obviously, if I can do a day trade of double digits in a single day, I'm very interested in that. So, and I've got fire on social activity and trading activity and a neutral score here on the AA score. For anything I look at, I'm looking for a neutral or above. So anyway, let's check out the chart and the news. Okay, so here we are on the TradingView chart. This is the Dogecoin 5-minute chart. And I've also got the news here. You can click on this button right here, and it'll bring up the news stories if there are any on a particular coin. So here I've got Doge tweet volumes up 1,800%, as reported by the TIE. The TIE provides data to Altcoin Alert, so that alliance is very helpful in evaluating that software and anything that the software recommends. So here's another article. Doge surges over 250%. And then you see there are quite a few more. I had the last Doge frenzy that I remember was over the summer when it was getting pumped up on the social media channel TikTok. Yeah, I watch that sometimes. So. And I had made a pretty fast double-digit recovery on a day trade on that one back over the summer. So I remembered that. I thought something similar might be happening here. So I'm over on the chart, and I'm seeing it's spiking up. I'm thinking maybe I'm too late. So, but I think it's worth checking out. So I go over to the hour chart, and I'm going to use my Fibonacci extender. So you can find that here on TradingView where the Fibonacci tools are, the retracement I use all the time, and then the Trend-Based Fib Extension. So I'm going to click that, put my cursor right here where it's starting to spike up, click once, drag it up to where I was, click a second time, then bring it back to where I started. So it's right across from this line. It doesn't really matter where you are here. But click a third time. That gives me the range up to the 1.272, which is showing me a 0.28212. I think that's too high. I go about halfway in between, and my exit that I choose is 0.26160. So I get in at 0.238 at 824. I put in this figure at 8, and then a couple minutes later, let's go to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, as you can see, it spikes up. I probably more lucky than good on this one, but so I catch that spike. I'm out nearly 14%. Then it drops like a rock, goes sideways, and then goes on. But I don't really care at this point. I'm out. I've got 14% in 2 minutes, which is definitely my best trade of 2021. I've had a few trades in less than 10 minutes, but 2 minutes might be a record. So anyway, that's all I have for this particular trade. I'm going to be holding a Zoom weekly call, and so I've emailed my group to let them know. This will probably be on Monday nights. I'm thinking at 5 Pacific, 8 Eastern. So If you're a regular watcher of my videos, you might want to chime in, email me at cryptocj13@gmail.com, and let me know if you have an opinion about which day it should be. I'm choosing either Monday, Tuesday, or Friday. Monday seems to be the contender. I'm recording this video at 5:30 p.m. on Thursday. I'll probably make a decision tomorrow and email the group. If you want to be included in that email, email me and I'll add you to my list. So that's all I have for today. Please check out the additional messages that come next, and check out the tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.